Ready for some magic?
Meenu, what are you doing? That's a lovely rangoli. Can I also help you fill in the colors?
Okay, Buzz, but be careful. Don't spoil my rangoli. What are you doing, Buzz?
I am helping Meenu. See, I am putting colors in the rangoli.
But Buzz, you are not following a pattern.
A pattern? What is that?
Look, first it is blue, then it is red, then it is yellow, and then it is green. You have to follow the same pattern. Otherwise, the rangoli will not look good.
Oh, sorry, Meenu. I did not know about patterns.
Buzz, look at Ma's sari. That's hanging there. Can you see the design? Can you see there is a pattern?
Yes, I can see the pattern and design. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful because it has a pattern. Look, the body of the sari has a full design and the ends have half designs.
Oh, so there has to be a proper pattern.
Yes, Buzz. Can you get me some leaves? I will tell you how to make patterns.
Patterns with leaves? Okay, I will get leaves.
Thank you, Buzz. Let me arrange these leaves. Look, this is a pattern. Can you continue this?
Oh, I can. Is this correct?
Yes, Buzz. Now let me do a pattern with these sticks. You try and continue in the same pattern.
I have done it. Now I know about patterns.
Pattern is not just this. We can make patterns with numbers and letters of the alphabet also. Chinu, we will use the board that Papa got for us. Let me start a pattern.
Good morning, everybody. Even I like patterns. I will also do it with you.
Good morning, Futta. Okay, let me write the first pattern. Okay, watch carefully, Buzz. AB, CD, EF. Can you continue the next three?
This is easy, Meenu. It is G, H, I, J, and K, L.
That's smart, Buzz. Futta, will you try now? 5, 105, 205.
I know, Chinu. It is 305, 405, and 505. I will write one now. 15, F, 15, E, 15, D. Meenu, can you do it?
Yes, Futta. It is 15C, 15B, and 15A.
Oh, this was different. Can you give me one, Futta? Sure, Buzz. Try this. 555, 455, 355. Oh, Futta, this is not easy.
Buzz, it is easy. Just think. It is 255, 155, and 55.
Oh, you have to subtract 100 each time. It will be easy if we have to add 100.
Buzz, it will not be adding all the time. That's why you have to look at a pattern carefully. Okay, now I will draw a number box. Buzz, can you see a pattern?
A pattern? No, I can only see 1, 2, 3 again and again.
Watch carefully, Buzz. Look at each line. Can you see that the numbers are not repeated in any line? They come only once in each line.
Oh yes, no number comes twice in any line. So, that is the pattern.
Now, I will do the same thing with the letters A, B and C. I will not repeat the letters in any line. Look at my letter box. It is just like Chinu's number box.
I can draw a magic cloud pattern for you.
Magic cloud pattern? Meenu, I want to see the magic. Please draw it fast.
Okay, Buzz. Look at this now. Let us add each line. Can you all add?
This line is 2 plus 4 plus 6, which is 12. It is 12. This line is 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is 12.
I will add one line. 1 plus 5 plus 6. That is 6 plus 6, which is 12. Oh, Meenu, you are right. This is like magic. The numbers in each line add up to 12.
That's right, Buzz. Even in this line, it is 2 plus 3 plus 7, which is 12. So, this is my magic cloud pattern.
Let me also try a magic marble pattern. I will use numbers from 1 to 9 in this pattern. Buzz, look, each of these lines will add up to 15. Okay, Chinu, that must be fun. Let us add up the numbers in each line. The top line is 4 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 15. Next line is 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 15. Last line is 8 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 15. Oh, that's magic, Chinu.
But it's not full magic. Chinu said all the lines will add up to 15. We should add the other lines also.
Add up, Buzz. You will still have magic.
Okay, I will add the other lines. 4 plus 3 plus 8, which is equal to 15. 9 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 15. 2 plus 7 plus 6, which is equal to 15. Oh, I can't believe this. It's all 15.
There are still the cross lines left. Let me add them. 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 15. 8 plus 5 plus 2, which is equal to 15. Oh, so it's all 15. That is really magical, Chinu.
Now let me also do a magic triangle.
Everyone's doing magic today.
Numbers are magical, Buzz. Maths is like magic. We can do so many things with numbers.
That's right. Even I like maths because I can keep doing magic.
Okay, now look at my triangle. I have used numbers from 1 to 6. If you add up each side of the triangle, it will all add up to 9.
Let me add the 3 sides of the triangle. 2 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 9. 3 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 9. 3 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 9.
Oh, it's all 9. This is really like magic.
Let me also do a magic triangle. I will also use numbers from 1 to 6. But now each side will add up to 10. Let me fill in the numbers first.
Okay, I will add up all the 3 sides. 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 10. Meenu, you are right. All 3 sides add up to 10.
What are you doing, Chinu?
I am drawing a number tower. Let's build a number tower. First, let's do 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. I will write 3 here. Now, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Now, let's add 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Look, our number tower is made.
This number tower is interesting, Chinu. I will make more following the same pattern. Let me write the bottom row first. 5, 10, 15, 20.
Meenu, wait. Let me add. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. Meenu, you can add the next line.
Buzz, you want Meenu to add because it is a bigger addition. You can't do it properly in your mind.
Hee. It's okay, Chinu. I will add it. 15 plus 25 is equal to 40. 25 plus 35 is equal to 60.
Now I will add. 40 plus 60 is equal to 100. This number tower is good, Meenu. It has become 100.
Okay, now I will show you some more magic. Even better than a number tower. Let me write some numbers on the ground. Watch me carefully.
Oh, it's so simple. I can read the numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, these numbers look simple. Now, watch the magic. I will add the first number and the last number. 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. Now I will add the middle two numbers. 10 plus 11 is equal to 21.
Oh, it is magic, Chinu. Can we do it with any number?
Yes, you can, Buzz. Let me do it with any 6 numbers now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us follow the same pattern and add. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Don't you think this is fun?
Friends, you can also try to add like this with any numbers. Now, for something different, just watch this pattern. 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Can someone tell me what the pattern is?
I can. Meenu, you are adding 2 numbers which are next to each other.
That's right, Buzz. But what is the pattern? You must look at the answer and tell me.
I can tell you, Meenu. The answer also grows by 2 each time, like 3, 5, 7, 9. You add 2 numbers next to each other and the answer grows by 2. Now, let me try with 3 numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 12.
Futta, the answer grows by 3. When you add 3 numbers, it grows from 6 to 9 and 9 to 12. Numbers really are magic.
Let me try with 4 numbers now. I don't have to start with 1. I will start with 3. 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 18. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 22. 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 26. Look, the answer grows by 4. 18 to 22 and then 22 to 26. Shall we play a secret message game now?
25, 5, 19. Chinu?
Okay, let's start.
Wait. What did Futta say? 25, 5, 19 and Chinu didn't say anything? What does it mean?
It's a secret, Buzz. You don't know.
But I also want to know the secret. Meenu, please tell me.
Okay, Buzz. If you want to know the secret, you must do something. First, write A, B, C, D up to Z. You know all the letters of the English alphabet. First, write them down.
Okay, I will write it now. My stick is also here. I will write it fast. A, B, C, D, Y, Z. I have written the letters of the English alphabet, Meenu. Now tell me the secret.
It is simple. Now write 1, 2, 3, 4 under each alphabet. Tell me how many numbers will you write?
I know there are 26 letters of the alphabet. So I will write up to 26. One number for each alphabet in order. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25, 26. I have written it. Now tell me the secret.
You will know it yourself now. Futta said 25, 5, and 19. Look at what letters are there for those numbers.
Oh, it's like that. "25, 5 and 19. Y, E, S. 25 is Y, 5 is E, and 19 is S. Y, E, S, yes. Oh, so Futta said yes. This secret message game is lots of fun. I will also say something. Futta, 10, 21, 13, 16.
10, 21, 13, 16, J, U, M, P. 10 is J, 21 is U, 13 is M, and 16 is P. So, J, U, M, P. That is jump. Okay, Buzz. I will jump now.
Come, let's go and say 7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7 to Grandma.
Chinu, stop, stop. First let me look up my number and alphabet table. I will see what this means.
7, 15, 15, 4, 13, 15, 18, 14, 9, 14, 7.
G,
O, O, D, M, O, R, N, I, N,
G. 7 is G. 15 is O. 15 is O. And 4 is D. So it is G, O, O, D. Good. Then 13 is M. 15 is O. 18 is R. 14 is N. 9 is I. 14 is N. And 7 is G. That is M, O, R, N, I, N, G. Morning. Oh, so it is good morning.
But first, let us all help Meenu finish her rangoli. Now, even Buzz knows about patterns and will do it right. Let us all fill the colors in the rangoli.
Friends, you can also make a rangoli with patterns like Meenu. You can do magic patterns with numbers also.
Let us see if we remember our number patterns. Friends, please take your notebook and pencil and we will do it together. Let us do some patterns now. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5A, 5B, 5C, 5D, 5E, 5F, 45K, 45L, 45M, 45N, 45O, 45P, 16C, 17D, 18E, 19F, 20G, 21H, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 115, 50, 150, 250, 350, 450, 550. Let us build our number towers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 6, 10, 14, 18, 16, 24, 32, 40, 56. 96. 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 50, 70, 80, 120, 200. Let us add the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 13 is equal to 23. 11 plus 12 is equal to 23. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 plus 12 is equal to 14. 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10 plus 60 is equal to 70. 20 plus 50 is equal to 70. 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. Friends, let us play the secret message game. Please write the letters of the English alphabet and numbers from 1 to 26 under them. Let us start now. 8, 5, 12, 12, 15,
8,
E, L, L, O,
hello,
16, 12, 5, 1, 19, 5, P, L, E, A, S, E, please. Twenty, 8, 1, 14, 11, 25, 15, 21, T,
H,
A, N, K, Y, O, U. Thank you. 19, 15, 18, 18, 25, S, O, R, R, Y, sorry. Nine, 1, 13, 1, 14, 9, 14, 4, 9, 1, 14, I, A, M, A, N, I, N, D, I, A, N, I am an Indian. Nine, 12, 15, 22, 5, 9, 14, 4, 9, 1, I, L, O, V, E, I, N, D,
I. A. I love India.